So, join me in a little walking tour. I'm just leaving from outside the Iberio style ways at Bougainville Playa. I've just had a little drink and a bite to eat here at this restaurant, which is lovely. Let's shout with that for taking my shirt off, which is fair enough. It's a restaurant, to be fair, not a bar. So, happy days. So let's go for a little walk. Now, I've already done a beach walk on the coastal path. So this one is more of back street, more in town, showing you what it's about. So I suppose you could call this Costa Adeje walking into Las Américas. So come and join me. Let's check out what's going on. I've done a few hotel reviews today, a few walk rounds. And I'm just toying with the idea of should I go down this road or should I drop down? Yeah, let's go down this road, see what's going on. Check out all the bars and restaurants at the back. It's been a long day. I've been doing lots of videos. I'm absolutely shattered now. But, I need to walk back to my hotel. I think I'll be dropping down over there in a moment. Go across on the zebra crossing. Anyone got any really good recommendations for bars, restaurants, places to go, things to do? Why not leave a message in the comments below? Right, let's see if I can cross over. If there's nothing to see, what I'll do is I'll just stop filming and I'll let you know where I got up to. So let's keep recording for now. Absolutely loads of hotels around here, so I'm hoping over the next couple of days to have a good walk round, check as many out as I can. I'll make a playlist of all the videos I make. So if you are interested, you can listen to my ramblings, which I can ramble quite well. big hotel in it. Nice little path down there. Right, let's keep going. Hello. There's the top road up there. And this road hopefully should drop us down into the centre. Got my new gimbal, the DJI 7 Pro. Oh, this is you would call good practice. Just getting used to using it. My other gimbal, don't know whether you've watched any of my other stuff. If you have or not, it gave up the ghost. It went limp. It went into limp mode, and it went in the bin. You can't have a gimbal in limp mode, can we? Oh, it's coming to a bus stop here, like a bus station. That'd be handy. So, what's this one? Ponderosa. Hotel Ponderosa. These scooter things are absolutely everywhere. Well, there you go, there's the bus stop. Bus station, should I say. The next time I come here, I might be catching a bus from the airport to here rather than one of them stupid transfers that take forever. So many people are complaining about them. They drop off at like a million hotels before they get to yours. The airport's only like 20 minutes away. Right, bus depot. Excellent. Right, I know where it is now. And so do you guys. So yeah, I think the bus is around about €4, I think. Did a quick Google of it when I landed. But I'd already got a transfer organised with on the beach, which was kind of a mistake really now in hindsight. And my hotel, I can now see where I'm staying. So what I did, I dropped down onto the coast road today. I've had a real big walk around. Walked into Costa Adeje, got into the harbour, which you'll see a video in the playlist when I put the playlist together. And then I've mooched into a few hotels en route. Did a few hotel reviews. Popped into a couple of bars. Don't really do food or bar reviews. I just go into them and enjoy. What's this one? Sunnt Prime Hotels. There you go. So I'm staying at the Caribe, which is a very budget style hotel. Staying here with a friend of mine, and we're just here for a few days away. Come for a little bit of sunshine. So what we paid, 250 quid, including flights with Jet2, transfers, and a hotel for 4 days, 3 nights. 250 quid, that's amazing. Not been to Tenerife for a while, so I thought I'd come and give it a visit. It's definitely cheaper than the Américas. There's a Mallorca the other day paying top dollar for food and drink, but here you're getting the same quality for almost half the price, I think. So Tenerife, good value for money. It's a big centre. Magma. Not sure what it is. If you know what it is, leave a comment in the comment section below and let us know what it is. Nice and cool this walk with these trees there, I tell you, it's lovely. Now we're going by hotels right in front. And this road that's in front of me now drops straight down to the beach. So I've got a quick walk to Costa Adeje. This is the road to go on, rather than walk down to the front and go down along the coastal road. You've got to get there quick. Just whiz down. Somebody didn't want to be on camera. That's, yeah, not Congresso. Yeah, it must be some kind of don't know, council thing. Not sure, don't know. There we go. There's my hotel, just there. Got a supermarket right next to it, just here. Which is pretty cool. And then that road there, where you can see the pharmacy, just takes you straight down to the beach, which is lovely. Right, I think we'll conclude the video there. I'm back at my hotel now, so Thanks for watching. Thumbs up. Do loads of these little walking tours, finding out new places, and if you get any good content out of this for yourself, give the channel some love, give it a like, give it a subscribe, and watch more content like this. Listen to me rambling on. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Now it's time for a swim. I need to cool off. I'm boiling.